welcome back to the channel. Today's video is not only about crafting, it is about finding beauty in a quiet moment. In our daily lives, we often overlook the simplest things: old toys on the ground, using jars in the corner, jute ropes lying silently in storage. But sometimes these forgotten things are waiting for the right hands and the right moment. These crafts begin with a walk outside, no shopping bags, no expensive tools, not just expensive things, just nature, toys collected gently, not broken in anger, but picked with respect. Each one different in shapes, each one imperfect, and that is exactly what makes them beautiful. Jute brings warmth to any crafts. It feels honest, it feels close to the earth. As I wrap the jute around the toys, I slow my breathing and let my thoughts settle. Crafting teaches patience. It reminds us that rushing never creates beauty. This jar once held something ordinary, now it will hold light. This broken decor piece will now become a highlight. Recycle is storytelling. You don't throw away the past, you rewrite it. And every recycled craft carries a message of hope. There is no hurry here. Every step is calm, every detail matters. Glue dries slowly, hands move gently, ideas flow naturally. This is the moment where stress fades and creativity takes control. Many people don't realize this, but crafting heals. When words fail, hands speak. When life feels messy, creating order with small details brings comfort. These crafts was made not just to decorate a home, but to bring peace into it. And now the final look: rustic warmth, natural, perfect for a cozy corner, a simple wall, or a peaceful entrance. It doesn't need bright colors or heavy designs. Its beauty lies in simplicity. These crafts remind us that we don't always need more. Sometimes we need less. Less waste, less noise, less rush, and more creativity, more patience, more heart. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for choosing handmade over factory made and recycle over waste. In this video, give you calm inspired you to create, or simplicity made you smile. Please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support gives life to many more simple creations like this. Until next time, keep your hands busy, your heart peaceful, and your creativity. So viewers, when you place handmade decor in your home, you don't just decorate walls, you decorate emotions. You bring warmth, you bring calm, you bring a story.